Welcome to Quinn Sprint. I hope everything's going well for you. Think you can get all the cell structure and enzyme questions right? Let's find out. Comment your score and hit subscribe for more easy AP quizzes. Easy level. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. What part of the cell controls what goes in and out? Cell membrane. Which organelle stores DNA in eukaryotic cells? Nucleus. Ribosomes are mainly responsible for making what? Proteins. Which structure is found in plant cells but not animal cells? Cell wall. Enzymes are best described as proteins. What is the main job of enzymes in cells? Speed up reactions. Which structure sorts and labels proteins? Golgi apparatus. Which organelle packages and ships proteins? Golgi apparatus. Lysosomes help the cell by breaking down waste. Medium level. Enzymes work best at a specific temperature and pH. What happens if an enzyme gets too hot? It changes shape. The endoplasmic reticulum mainly helps with protein and lipid transport. Which organelle contains digestive enzymes? Lysosome. Enzymes are reusable because they stay unchanged after reactions. What happens when a substrate binds to an enzyme? An enzyme substrate complex forms. Which model shows enzymes changing shape slightly when binding? Induced fit model. Rough ER looks rough because it has ribosomes. Smooth ER is mainly involved in lipid production. What happens if pH changes too much for an enzyme? Enzyme stops working properly. Hard level. Which structure helps maintain cell shape in plant cells? Vacuole. The active site of an enzyme is where? Substrate binds. Mitochondria have their own DNA, which supports the idea that they evolved independently. Which factor does not affect enzyme activity? Cell color. What is the function of the nucleolus? Make ribosomes. Which organelle modifies proteins after they are made? Golgi apparatus. Cell membranes are described as fluid mosaics. If an enzyme is denatured, it loses its shape. Which structure protects plant cells and provides support? Cell wall. Which organelle helps detox drugs and alcohol in liver cells? Smooth ER. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.